Join me as I put Google's powerful Pixel 9 and its Gemini Assistant to the ultimate test to see if it really lives up to the hype. Google's just released its latest smartphone, the Pixel 9, and it's packed with some seriously impressive features, especially with the introduction of the Gemini Assistant. This new AI assistant is supposed to change the way we interact with our phones, making it smarter and more intuitive. With the tech world buzzing about AI and machine learning, it's exciting to see how Google's latest offering stacks up. We've all been there, struggling with our current smartphones, feeling like they're not quite living up to their promise. Whether it's slow performance, limited functionality, or just not being responsive enough, it's frustrating when technology doesn't deliver. The same goes for AI assistants. Sometimes they feel more like gimmicks than game changers. They might not understand us correctly, or they just can't seem to get the task done. These are common pain points that users face daily. The Pixel 9 aims to tackle these issues head-on with its cutting-edge technology in the Gemini Assistant. This AI is designed to learn and adapt to your habits, making it more efficient over time. For instance, it can handle complex tasks, like booking a flight and hotel for a trip, all through simple voice commands. It also integrates seamlessly with other Google services, providing a cohesive and streamlined experience. One of the standout features of the Gemini Assistant is its ability to understand context. This means it can follow a conversation more naturally, similar to how humans communicate. For example, if you're discussing plans with someone and then suddenly ask about traffic, the Gemini Assistant can pick up on that and provide relevant information without you needing to specify. This makes interactions feel more organic and less robotic. The Pixel 9 also boasts an incredible camera system, enhanced by AI, which allows for stunning photo and video capture. Features like advanced portrait mode and low-light enhancement mean you can capture life's moments with clarity and precision. Plus, with the Gemini Assistant, you can edit and share your photos more easily, using just your voice. Another area where the Pixel 9 shines is in its performance and battery life. With a powerful processor and optimized software, it handles demanding tasks smoothly and efficiently. This means less lag, faster app loading times, and an overall snappier experience. Plus, the battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day and then some, even with heavy use. The real magic happens when you combine the Pixel 9's hardware with the Gemini Assistant's capabilities. For example, you can ask the assistant to summarize your notifications, and it'll intelligently prioritize the important ones, saving you time and reducing clutter. Or, it can help you manage your schedule, sending reminders and updates proactively. In a nutshell, the Google Pixel 9 and its Gemini Assistant are set to revolutionize how we think about smartphones and AI. With its enhanced performance, intelligent features, and user-centric design, it's clear that Google has put a lot of thought into solving common pain points. Whether it's through improved responsiveness, smarter assistants, or simply making life easier, the Pixel 9 seems to be on the right track. So, what do you think about the Pixel 9? Are you excited about the possibilities that Gemini Assistant brings? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tech insights and reviews, be sure to check out my next video. Google Pixel 9, unlocked Android smartphone with Gemini, 24-hour battery, advanced camera, and 6.3-inch Actua display, Obsidian, 128 GB. Brand Google. Operating system Android 14. RAM memory installed size 12 GB. CPU model unknown. CPU speed 3.1 GHz. Memory storage capacity 128 GB. Screen size 6.3 inches. Resolution 1500 by 844. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Model name Google Pixel 9. Google Pixel 9 with Gemini gets the best of Google AI first, so you can take amazing photos, make edits like magic, and get things done even easier. Unlocked Android phone gives you the flexibility to change carriers and choose your own data plan. It works with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and other major carriers. The award-winning Pixel camera includes a 50MP main sensor for incredible image and video quality, and a new 48MP ultra-wide camera for stunning macro focus. Make your photos better than you can imagine with Google AI. Take a picture and be in it too with AdMe. Best Take helps everyone look their best, and with Magic Editor, you can reframe photos, reimagine the scenery, and more. Get more info quickly with Gemini, your built-in AI assistant. Instead of typing, use Gemini Live. It follows along even if you change the topic or switch the question, and Pixel Screenshots helps you save things you'll want to remember later. A phone full of firsts. Meet Pixel 9 with Gemini. Engineered by Google, Pixel gets the best of Google AI first. So you can take amazing photos and get things done even easier. Pixel can protect against spam and other threats. It helps you in an emergency. And it's built to last. Ask Gemini about whatever's on your screen. You can even take a photo and get help in real life. Catch up quick. Use Gemini to summarize your Google Docs and unread messages in Gmail. Experience the future of smartphones with the Google Pixel 9, featuring the power of Gemini AI, an advanced 50MP plus 48MP ultra-wide camera system, and a vibrant 6.3-inch Actua display. This unlocked Android 14 phone gives you the flexibility to choose your carrier, working seamlessly with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and more. With 12GB RAM and 128GB storage, enjoy smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance powered by a 3.1 GHz processor. Take stunning photos with features like Add Me, Best Take, and Magic Editor, all enhanced by Google AI. Use Gemini Live to ask questions without typing and get real-time help, even if your topic changes. With a sleek Obsidian finish, 120Hz refresh rate, and an all-day battery, the Pixel 9 is built to help you do more, smarter, faster, and more creatively.